Hi guys, and welcome back to Google Dougal, and this is just a foretaste in 5K at what you can look forward to in the near future. I'm getting some new equipment. This is just a view from my tripod in the corner of Bikini Beach, looking out over the land and the sea. I hope you're enjoying it, and you can look forward to more in the very near future. It's going to be a very high quality setting and some new equipment arriving at the end of the month. There's a view of Cape Town and Cape Point. Actually, right now we're looking at Simonstown straight ahead, coming across towards the Constantiaberg, and there's Cape Town, Feathers Peak. Panning through Macassar, Strand over there with the tall buildings looking like Honolulu, and Heldercrane. Or not Heldercrane, Helderberg. Bikini Beach. Oh, and of course, Bikini Beach, Gordons Bay is famous for some of its very valuable real estate with amazing sunset views over the beach. Some good surf spots here, particularly this point right there. It breaks all the way from outside to inside to the beach itself. If you like point breaks, this is the place to be in September. Sometimes you get lucky during the summer as well. Thanks for joining us here in Gordons Bay. If you'd like to see more, stay tuned to this channel. You know what to do. Like and subscribe. And I will be back shortly with some really amazing views. If you like to reminisce about where you once stayed or where you one day will stay, or you're just dreaming and like to have a peaceful view, here you are. Come back soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.